15 Best IKEA Products for Organizing. As if we needed another reason to obsess over this Swedish retailer IKEA, they've seriously upped their organization game as of late. Want proof? Your home will never be more streamlined and tidy after picking up any of these storage items. Enjoy this 15 organizing ideas with IKEA products. 1. KALLAX Wire Basket, $10. Want to add double the storage to one square shelf? This gold wire divider hangs below to offer a slim spot to store magazines, papers, or other important keepsakes. 2. EKET Wall-Mounted Cabinet, $195. If you want your storage to make a statement, look no further than this asymmetric solution. You can still stack your books and papers out of the way, but in an edgy and modern style. 3. GODMORGON Box, $20. Makeup is just one word that summarizes a lot of categories. We're talking lipstick, nail polish, eyeshadow, and even brushes. Instead of dumping it all in one drawer, use this organizer to corral similar products together. 4. OMAR Bottle Shelving Unit, $60. Wine lovers, listen up. This vertical organizer doesn't take up too much wall space, but offers tons of stations for a bottle of vino, a whopping 48 to be exact. 5. KALLAX Hanging Organizer, $10. A simple bookshelf is always classic, but if you want to mix it up and add some color and height variety, you need this hanging organizer. It's just the right size for a few magazines or placemats. 6. OMAR Clip-On Basket, $3. Sometimes you need a basket to hold smaller items in your big shelving unit. This wire solution could serve as a fruit holder or an easy way to keep fresh produce top of mind when you're whipping up dinner. 7. EKBY ALGOT Shelf with Drawer, $57. Floating shelves are all the rage, except sometimes you don't want guests to be able to see everything. These drawer shelves, which you can hide papers inside while displaying picture frames on top. 8. ALGOT Wall Shelves, $222. Think about all the doors in your house. Do you utilize the space above any of them for storage? If you answered no, you need to check out this wall-mounted organizer that also takes advantage of the space next to doors. Genius! 9. KALLAX Shelf Divider, $15. If you've ever found yourself wishing your big shelves were shorter to provide more surface storage, we've got you covered. This shelf divider fits on top of your existing surface to create twice as many cubbies. 10. IVAR 2-Section Unit, $165. Not only is this solid pine shelf a gorgeous design statement, but it also offers a variety of storage options, including baskets, shelves, and even hanging solutions. 11. KUGGIS Insert, $7. While we are grateful for any drawer in our home, hello hidden storage, sometimes organizers are critical to making this space meet its full potential. This insert is especially handy for a media center or desk. 12. KOMPLEMENT Multi-Use Hanger, $5. Instead of taking up half of your closet hanging each scarf or belt on an individual hanger, use this multi-use one. It offers 18 storage spots but only takes up the space of one hook. 13. SKUBB Storage Case, $5. Functional storage shouldn't just be focused on items that are in use. Your out-of-season clothes are just as important, which is why we're big fans of this underbed organizer. Pro tip: use it for extra bed linens or towels too. 14. IKEA Box Set, $50. If you're constantly moving your furniture around, these sturdy boxes are made for your lifestyle. They offer storage like a bookcase, but can be moved to different rooms or stacked into different dimensions as needed. 15. STÄLL Shoe Cabinet, $90. No space in your closet? That doesn't mean you have to keep your shoes out and about. This narrow organizer will save floor space and blend into your existing storage pieces.